matik na guys, mga itong dinner karon no. Fish with spinach bake. Matik na. Speakers pa daw. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Kusina ni Glenn. Tapos kadumi na to, roasted chicken and coconut. Matik na. Ayan sauce niya. Corn with coconut. Matik na guys. Okay, matik na. Okay na to guys for 15 minutes. Luto na itong manok guys. Itong manok na chop na. Matik na. So na ito kundata. Corn with coconut. Matik na. Matik na guys. Itong dinner. Chicken with corn with gata. Matik na. Tapos baked spinach fish. Thank you for watching. Kusina ni Glenn. Matik na. Sabaw na ito. Pork soup.